Hello, welcome to Deutschland. Today we're going to review and taste a bunch of Germany's finest beers. We're going to see if the hype is real. How everybody says German beer is the best.
So we went to Rewe, to our local Getränkmarkt, which is like a drink market, and I don't know if that's how you pronounce it even the right way. And we picked out some beers. So today's is Hessebub land beer. I don't know why you can see that. Anyways, it doesn't get very good reviews online, so I'm a bit worried. On the back here, it says, look forward to a pleasant, mild country beer according to the traditional brewing method. Hessebub is a bottom fermented full beer with an original wort of 11.8% and promises relaxed, delicious beer enjoyment. We'll see how much we actually enjoy this beer.
Yeah.
Here you go.
Good, give me yours.
Prost.
Prost. Here we go. Light.
This is also 55 euro cents, and I think that included the fond on it of 8 cents.
Yeah.
It's not bad. It's not my favorite.
No, it's got a
It's
aftertaste.
It's 4.8% alcohol.
Hessebub. 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 Hessebub.
I'm not sure I would ever buy this again.
For 50 cents or 55 euro. Not bad.
I don't know.
It's definitely not the best.
The 3 out of 5 stars that it got online is pretty accurate.
Yeah, I'd give it like 2. I'd give this. You want to do that? We'll start this off.
What are we doing?
We'll do 5 stars.
5 stars.
So this, for me, is a 2. Maybe 2.5.
2. It's a solid 2.
Solid 2.
No more than 2? No. Not a...
It's not bad. Country beer.
If you're an alcoholic that really wanted beer, this is your beer.
Yeah. Definitely.
Prost.
Yeah. Prost. On to the next one.